This video demonstrates how the force precision property affects percentage values in Sankey diagram for Power BI. Click on the stats to change the properties. By default, at level 1, device, each node displays a 2 decimal percentage value, ensuring a cumulative total of 100% for all nodes at this level. The chart behaves like this when the force precision button is turned off, slid to the left. You can disable this feature by sliding the force precision button to the right, that is turning it on. Each node on level 1, that is device, displays an integer percentage, and the sum of percentages across all nodes at this level is 99%. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.